Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
एवरीबडी फेल्ट एट होम कि अभी तो हम यूट्यूबर है, हमारा धंधा तो चलेगा, हमको तो घर से बस वीडियो अपलोड करनी है. बट सीइंग एट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन वर्ल्ड अराउंड, इट्स सो डिस्टर्बिंग एंड स्कैरी दैट हम सबकी फट गई एंड हमारा दिमाग चल ही नहीं रहा. सो व्हेन निक कम्स टू उल्लासनगर, ही गेट्स थंडरिंग अटेंशन, एंड व्हेन आई गो टू डोंबिवली, आई गेट अ थंडरिंग रिसेप्शन. हमको अपने शहर में इतना अटेंशन नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि वो फैक्ट है, क्योंकि एक लाइन आ जाती है कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. बीबी एंड मी आर वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. लाइक मतलब आई वुड मैरी हिम इफ आई वाज नॉट स्ट्रेट.
Ashish, welcome to Spill the Tea. Welcome to Film Companion. I swear I have not chased anyone as hard as I have to make this interview with you happen. Has it been like some 3 years now? Has it close to?
Yes, Sneha, it has been 3 years, and I today over here apologize Sneha ji very much. Kyunki this is true. Today finally this interview is happening, and I can't be more happier.
And you're going to make this interview absolutely count, because we are celebrating
Let's
on
go.
Film Companion 20 million subs on your YouTube channel. That is incredible. It puts you just behind Carrie Minati and Amit Badana. I want to know from you, Ashish, what have the past couple of days been like for you? Have you just been constantly hitting the refresh button on your YouTube?
Right now, I was doing this like a week back, but obviously because of some problems, I had to go off internet, so I had just stopped this. But before that, yes, it was a very big moment for me, because honestly, Sneha, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, I never even thought this would happen. Like 2 crore people subscribing to your channel. It's a dream that you won't even have a dream in a dream. So I was a little anxious, I was happy, it was an emotional moment. Now it's hitting me now that I'm talking to you about it. So
Ashish, I'll be honest, we are at 1 million subs on Film Companion. It's taken us 6 years to get here. I know the kind of hard work, the dedication, the consistency that it takes. Trust me, I know. I want to know from you, what would you say has been your biggest sacrifice to get to where you are today?
the biggest sacrifice, one thing would be a little of mental peace.
Okay.
It does take a toll on your mental health for sure. Patience, it takes a lot of patience, and you need to grow as a person from inside. One of the biggest things that I've sacrificed has to be some personal time with my close ones, the personal time with friends, the meeting with friends, my old friends. I think I had to sacrifice a lot of my relations over this career, but thanks to them, they were so understanding that they are still my friends, they are still in contact with me. I've done this with a lot of people and I'll always be sorry to them, but they understand that it's my career and I need to focus towards this. The most important thing that I've learned is that being honest to the followers and telling them कि आप किसी चीज से जा रहे हो, it works very well, because they understand and they treat you like more like a human rather than a video producing machine, and that's my biggest win. That is what I believe.
Sometimes I do feel like a video producing machine, so I know what you're saying.
I know Sneha, at the end of the day आप भी इंसान हो, कितना झेलोगे.
No, but I also noticed on average, Ashish, you post about 2 videos a month. Is that how
Yeah,
long
I
it
do
takes you to produce this content? Don't you feel the need to feed this beast called YouTube? क्योंकि मेरे साथ कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि we've not posted, क्या करें? Does that not happen to you?
So no, honestly, I have learned this since the last 2 years that it doesn't matter
Okay.
with the quantity. What matters is the quality. If you force yourself with a lot of things like ये बनाना है, ये टारगेट करना है, ये टारगेट पे ही हम, अगर आप 20 मिलियन पहुंचने के लिए कंटेंट बनाओगे ना, तो आप कभी नहीं पहुंचोगे. ये मैंने हमेशा सीखा है.
Nice.
अगर आप पब्लिक को हंसाने के लिए, पब्लिक को खुश करने के लिए दिल से मेहनत करोगे, तो भगवान तो आपको, पब्लिक तो आपको 100 मिलियन भी पहुंचा देगी. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव ऑलवेज फेल्ट. So it doesn't matter with the quantity, the quality is what I focus on. And I have noticed this even after taking a long break and coming back with content that people like, it works magically rather than shoving content down people's throat.
Right.
But this is my case, Neha. I think with you guys it's different.
Huh.
You guys have to like give people a lot of interviews, and I think people want to see a lot of interviews.
Nice.
So I think it works differently for different people.
So
This is what I
Ashish
think.
Chanchlani is saying that Film Companion is doing a decent job, right?
Of course. I'm a subscriber, so duh.
Right. But I also noticed, Ashish, that on your entire channel, there's literally not one video, and I went through the entire thing to see there's not one video that has not crossed the million mark. I want to know, what is it for you, like right after you upload a video, what really erupts on your computer? I want to know that feeling, to be in your place, honestly.
Okay, that's a very nice question, Sneha. I'll tell you. So the first 10 minutes are like an exam result moment for me. My heart beats very fast, and my entire team, when we usually are together, this abhi to hum log sab akele hai. So I keep refreshing my YouTube Studio, the YouTube Studio app, and first 5 minutes, the likes and the views go crazy. They shoot up like anything. There have been moments where I've uploaded video and within 2 minutes I have 1 lakh views. Within 2 minutes.
Oh.
The first 2 minutes, 1 lakh views. And that is a crazy feeling. It's a crazy feeling with the likes coming in, with the comments coming in. You know, वो जो आता है, आप जब देखते हो ना उस चीज़ को, it gives you so much pleasure inside your mind and your heart. Those 5-10 minutes. And when the video is completed, the time with the video is completed, for example 13 मिनट का वीडियो है, तो 13th मिनट जब हो जाता है ऑफ द अपलोड, तब एक रिजल्ट आना चालू हो जाता है कि पब्लिक को वीडियो कैसा लगा. एंड यू वेट विद अ बेटेड ब्रेथ कि अब क्या है, व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक. डिड दे लाइक इट, डिड दे नॉट लाइक इट, कैसे आ रहे कमेंट. सो आई गो एंड चेक ऑल द न्यू कमेंट्स exactly after the video is completed. And sometimes it's wonderful seeing like so many good comments. Sometimes it's मैं अच्छा था और better हो सकता था. So my entire day, the day of my upload goes into my mobile, checking all numbers, checking all reactions. More than numbers, it has always been like public को कैसा लग रहा है, public को कौन सा scene अच्छा लगा, public को कौन सा dialogue अच्छा लगा. And that is a very beautiful thing. It's like seeing your baby out there and लोग उसको react कर रहे हैं, लोग उस पे memes बना रहे हैं. I think that's much more than those millions of views and likes. It's a pleasure.
You know, we were doing an interview with Bhuvan at the start of the lockdown, and he very candidly said that the guilt is really killing him because he's not able to, the creative juices are just not flowing, which is really...
Yeah, I know.
Are you also in a similar boat?
So I'll tell you something, Sneha. BB and me are very close friends. Like, matlab, I would marry him if I was not straight. But so he keeps telling me that आशीष मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है. एंड उसकी बातें सुन के, साले की बातें सुन के मेरे साथ भी होना चालू हो गया. मेरे को दिमाग में आना चालू हो गया ये कि बीबी सही बोल रहा है यार, मैं तो घर में लॉक्ड हूँ यार, मेरा भी दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है. एंड ही इज एक्चुअली राइट. एवरीबडी फेल्ट एट होम कि यू नो अभी तो हम यूट्यूबर है, हमारा धंधा तो चलेगा, हमको तो घर से बस वीडियो अपलोड करनी है. बट सीइंग एट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन वर्ल्ड अराउंड, इट्स सो डिस्टर्बिंग एंड स्कैरी दैट हम सबकी फट गई एंड हमारा दिमाग चल ही नहीं रहा सबका. दिस हैपेंड विद मी एज वेल. तो आई थिंक इट्स लेजिट, इट्स राइट, इट्स अप्रोप्रिएट, आई वुड से कि ये हो रहा है. आपके साथ नहीं हुआ स्नेहा?
You know हुआ है, and it's actually very reassuring to know कि the biggest of the big guys are feeling the same way. तो मैं कौन हूँ इसमें?
यार ये तो पहले तो आप स्नेहा मेरे को बिगेस्ट बिग बोलना बंद करो. मेरी धरी पता नहीं क्यों फटना चालू हो जाती है. कोई मेरे को बहुत बड़ा बोलता है ना, मैं बड़ा हूँ, मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ मैं हूँ. यार, should I take myself too seriously? Okay, Sneha, thank you for that.
We are celebrating 20 million views. Today you have to feel big.
Chalo, let's feel a little big today. Chalo.
What does fame feel like for you? I'm very curious. Given your humble avatar and everything, when you're walking down the streets in Ulhasnagar, firstly, does Ulhasnagar and being so cut away from the city life in Bombay help you stay more real and relatable? What does fame feel like for Ashish?
Absolutely, it does. Wow, I'll tell you, Sneha, आपके क्वेश्चन में इतना बड़ा आंसर है. It does. क्योंकि
बहुत
उल्लासनगर में
साल
ना
से
कैसा है ना,
मैं बहुत साल से आपको रिसर्च करते रही हूँ इसलिए।
थैंक यू स्नेहा। आर यू रिमाइंडिंग मी कि मैं आप मेरे को चेस कर रहे थे? आई एम सॉरी, आई टोल्ड यू ना। नहीं, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग स्नेहा। तो या, सो आई टेल यू समथिंग, दिस हैपेंस विद एवरीवन, every big creator. And it's really stupid and it's weird, but it's a fact. So you know about Bionic?
Yeah, of course.
Nikunj. So Bionic is from Dombivli, ठीक है, and I'm from Ulasnagar. तो हम we are like neighbors. So when Nick comes to Ulasnagar, he gets thundering attention, and when I go to Dombivli, I get a thundering reception. हमको अपने शहर में इतना अटेंशन नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि वो फैक्ट है, क्योंकि एक लाइन आ जाती है कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर। तो यहाँ पे पीपल आर यूज्ड टू सीइंग मी उल्लासनगर में, एंड दे लाइक हाँ ठीक है तो अपना ही है। बट सेम व्हेन आई गो टू मुंबई और आई विजिट लाइक साउथ मुंबई और अदर प्लेसेस, एनी प्लेस, कुर्ला हो गया, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो आउटसाइड, पीपल मॉब मी। मतलब राइट नाउ इफ यू आस्क मी, सॉरी आई एम फीलिंग बिग राइट नाउ स्नेहा, सो आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई एम सो हैप्पी विद ऑल द अटेंशन आई गेट, बट आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, जब बाहर जाते हैं ऐसे लोग मॉब कर लेते हैं एंड यू फील लाइक सरियल, अरे भाई अपनी इतनी फैन फॉलोइंग है कि अभी अपन बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, अपना पब्लिक पकड़ रही है अपने को, सो इट फील्स ग्रेट। सो आई थिंक मेरे को उल्लासनगर में रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि द सरप्राइज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि मेरे को इतने लोग प्यार करते हैं, इतना लोग पकड़ेंगे, is amazing every time. Acha, I have to be like, oh god, so many people are loving me. Wow.
I love it. I'm also curious to know that of course there have been these few moments when you have come to Mumbai and traveled the world. What is the cheapest thing that you've done with your fame, which you can admit on Film Companion?
Yeah, now that is like a very weird question. I have to tell you, this is one of my best interviews. Although I'm not in the right space of mind, but this is getting me interested a lot in this interview. Very nice question.
That has made my day completely. Thank you.
स्नेहा, आप 3 साल से बना रहे हो क्या ये क्वेश्चन? आप रेडी थे क्या कि अभी मैं आशीष की बैंड बजाऊंगी? स्नेहा, so let me think. Cheapest thing I've done.
मतलब कभी बिजनेस क्लास टिकट अपग्रेड किया है, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
नहीं, वो तो मैंने नहीं किया. आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग, आई वुड फील. बट या वन थिंग, मैंने एक बार मेरे को याद है मैं किधर तो था, आई गेस आई वॉज इन कान्स, एंड मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं अपना वॉलेट होटल में भूल गया था, एंड आई हैड अ फ्री बकलावा इन अ रेस्टोरेंट, क्योंकि मैंने वेटर को दिखाया कि मैं बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी हूँ इंडिया से, मैं तेरे को फॉलो करूँगा, कैन आई हैव दैट बकलावा, क्योंकि उसका रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो रहा था, एंड मेरे को खाना था बकलावा. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने वो बंदे को फॉलो किया इंस्टाग्राम पे. मैंने बोला सी आई एम अ वेरी बिग सेलिब्रिटी फ्रॉम इंडिया, ब्लू टिक. मैंने उसको बोला एंड फॉलो गिव मी बकलावा. तो उसने दिया एंड उसने मेरे को बोला यू डोंट नीड टू फॉलो मी, दैट्स रियली स्वीट ऑफ यू. बहुत स्वीट बंदा था. So I think this is the cheapest, the lowest I could get, and I regret it. I would never do this to anyone. Sorry, yeah.
This is also the funniest answer I've got to this question. I absolutely love it.
Yeah, I think if any YouTuber is hearing this, Carrie, Bhuvan, anyone, you can get free baklavas in Cannes if you have a blue tick and millions of followers, guys.
Acha, coming to slightly more serious things, this entire YouTube versus TikTok controversy, I know you spoke about it, you were very vocal. I don't want to get into that at all because it's a thing in the past. But I want to know from you your learnings from just speaking about it. Have you figured that there are repercussions to being vocal and being honest?
Yes, there definitely are responses to being vocal about it. But if you be honest with people, I think that works very well. So I'll tell you something. When this happened, my only and only opposing, like my dislike for that application and for people were because people were stealing my content. So I had participated in that. But then later when the environment got really toxic and all of us creators saw environment got really toxic, I even decided to come up and upload a video saying कि guys बस करो, अभी जाने दो, हो गया ना, let's move on from this matter. But I think people at a point enjoyed it a lot. But then after a point, Nasneha, you must have also seen people, it got really personal and it was like you also saw na how it was going on, Sneha. So I think I came up with like चलो आप झगड़ा वगड़ा बंद करो, क्योंकि ऐसा हो गया था स्नेहा कि जब वो खत्म हुआ ना, फिर यूट्यूबर्स के बीच में झगड़ा होना चालू हो गया. एंड आई वाज लाइक ये क्या चल रहा है यार, उधर से एक चीज खत्म हो रही है, इधर आपस में लफड़े चालू हो गए. वो बंदा उधर चुप बैठा है, ही इज डन विद एवरीथिंग, यहाँ पे आपस में लफड़े चालू हो गए. सो दिस हैपेंड एंड आई वाज नॉट रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो आई केप्ट सेइंग एवरीवन कि जाने दो, लेट्स मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दिस, देयर आर मच मोर बिगर प्रॉब्लम्स नाउ टू लुक एट.
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक इट्स गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट टू पीपल. अभी क्या क्या मतलब ऐसा बोल के, कुछ और बोल के, मैं तो यही सोचता हूँ हमेशा स्नेहा.
No, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But it also made
Yeah.
me like this entire TikTok getting banned situation made me really rethink digital fame in its entirety. Like, does it scare you that someone who's sitting on over 30 million followers on an app has overnight got to, in some capacity, start afresh? Does that nature of digital fame that we're all so invested in building, does it scare you?
Of course, Neha, it is scary because right now, if you ask me, there were people who were dependent on that, and now I keep saying this, that nothing is front of like cyber security. If the government has decided, it's a very important decision, and we all have to respect that. But there were people who were dependent on it, and I just felt a little bad for them because their entire livelihood was for that. But then again, I rethought about it, and I was like, maybe this is a chance for them to come out on different platforms and शो अ वेरी डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ कंटेंट. मतलब देख, वो फ्रेश स्टार्ट कर सकते, कुछ न्यू कर सकते. अभी वो टिकटॉक पे थे, एंड ऑब्वियसली इंडिया में पीपल लव यूट्यूब मोर देन टिकटॉक. दैट्स अ फैक्ट, दैट्स अ वेरी बिग फैक्ट, एंड पीपल गेव दैट रिस्पॉन्स व्हेन दिस एंटायर वॉर हैपेंड. सो दे कैन नाउ लर्न फ्रॉम दिस कि अब वो यूट्यूब पे आके कॉन्टेंट बना सकते हैं. दे कैन स्टार्ट अ फ्रेश. रील्स आ गया इंस्टाग्राम पे, यू नो. And people right now, they after this war, I think these people might have realized कि क्या नहीं करना है और क्या करना चाहिए to improve. And I saw a lot of creators जो TikTok पे थे, they started doing something new. They were trying new things. So we should, you know, I think the public should give them a chance. Now that उनका वो हो गया है, नहीं चल रहा है, and if they are trying to change their content, I think public should definitely give them a chance.
And finally, you know, with greater power and greater subscribers comes greater responsibility. I want to know from you, Ashish, where do you draw that line, and where will you not go in the name of humor and in the name of more views? Where do you draw your line?
I definitely, there is always, I'll tell you, there is always a thin filter behind a video that goes where we make sure that we don't offend anyone or anyone's sentiments. So politics, religion, I have never been the type of guy who would ever make something on this. I would never go into that zone because I am not really interested in those topics.
Okay.
And I personally feel there are so many people in our country that are connected to these things, and if someone gets offended and if hurts their sentiment, rather than them getting violent or anything, I won't be able to sleep at night imagining कि यार ये किसी का कुछ hurt हो गया. Yes, there are some things that are completely blew out of proportion and मतलब एकदम out of context लिया जाता है. Even if I make sure कि मेरे content एकदम fictional हो, किसी को एक मतलब बोलते हैं ना, हिंट भी नहीं दे रहा है, तभी भी मेरे को बुरा लगता है कि चलो कोई ऑफेंड हो गया तो मैं उसी वक्त माफी मांग लेता हूँ स्नेहा. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैंने किसी को हर्ट किया ना, आई एम सॉरी यार, but that was not really my intention. I make it clear. So as a content creator, I think it's important that we have to take care of everyone's sentiment, and it's okay to keep this thin filter. It's important. This is what I've learned over the years.
Nice. Or finally, this 20 million wala subscriber Ashish fan base. What can your followers, your fans, everyone who consumes your content, what can they expect from you going forward? Have you really thought about, this is a milestone, it definitely is a landmark. Does it mean any sort of differentiating in your content?
Honestly, I have always been like this ki numbers should not decide what you want to do. So I'm still like going to be the same guy, but with the public's demand and everything going on, with how the world is changing, I would definitely try to do some new things. I have something in my mind. Let's see how it works with the public. I'm just waiting once, and that is only possible when this pandemic and this lockdown gets over. And first, right now, my first priority is कि यार vaccine आ जाए यार, बस हो गया यार.
Absolutely.
Because it has been causing a lot of trouble to everyone. and to me as well.
No, and many
So-
people, I'm glad you're at least being vocal about it and you've been
Yeah.
able to be vocal about it. You know, honestly, I don't even know how it's affecting me, but मुझे पता है कि subconsciously, definitely it's having an effect on me. So I'm
Yeah,
glad that
and
the more people
and
like
it's-
you talk about it, it just helps create that awareness.
and it's scary, Sneha. I'm telling you, it's very scary when you see it up close and personal. It's very scary. And I just hope कि I keep praying every day. मेरे को अभी भी याद है जब इबोला आउटब्रेक हुआ था ना अफ्रीका के टाइम, मैं तब मंदिर गया था प्रे करने की, यार ये कभी हमारे देश में नहीं है, इधर कोरोना आ गया यार. एंड आई एम लाइक हाउ डिड दिस हैपन एंड हाउ द वर्ल्ड चेंज इन 2020. एंड आई जस्ट कीप प्रेइंग एवरी डे यार कि और किसी की मौत नहीं हो, किसी की डेथ नहीं हो, कोई अफेक्ट नहीं हो, और एक वैक्सीन आ जाए. कीप प्रेइंग फॉर द वैक्सीन. एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग कि किधर से तो वैक्सीन आया यार. आई थिंक एवरीवन इज
Oh, that's true.
enough suffering this year already has given us.
And after waiting all this while to do this interview with you, I am finally doing it without even looking at you. I must tell everyone, this is the strangest form of doing an interview where I am looking at myself and talking to you. But
And even I'm pretending. Hi Sneha, I'm looking at myself, but I'm pretending to picture Sneha in my mind.
it's been an absolutely delightful conversation. Thank you for celebrating with Film Companion.
Thank you, Sneha. And I'm telling you, it's one of my best interviews. I really enjoyed doing this, and I'm so happy that we finally connected and did this interview.
Yep.
Although in a very bad time, but it's okay, Sneha. It was worth it. It was totally worth it. And I would never stall you again. That's my promise to you.
Well, it's off my bucket list for now. Mission accomplished. Where there's a will, there's a way. Thank you for chatting. I can't wait to do this in person in Ulhasnagar the next time, because I want to see where you actually create from.
Done. Sneha, you're absolutely welcome, and it's not just for the interview. Come here, please have food, some great food in Ulhasnagar. I would love to host you, please.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks,
Yeah.
Ashish.
Hello everyone. If you loved this interview, please hit a like on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to Film Companion.